learn the letter O. O is for octopus. Wow, that's so cool! The octopus is swimming. I see 3 octopuses. One octopus. 2 octopuses. 3 octopuses. 4 octopuses. 5 octopuses. O is for owl. I see 2 gray owls. The owl has big eyes. I see a big white owl. One owl. 2 owls. 3 owls. 4 owls. 5 owls. O is for octopus. O is for owl. You did great. See you next time. Kangaroo Kids. We love to learn.